Hello, in this video we're going to cover how to find public records in the state of Tennessee. If you come down to tennesseepublicrecords.org, I will leave a link in the description. You can click on that or just type it into your browser. You'll find a database alphabetized of the potential public record sources that you could use. So depending on exactly what your public record search is about, you should be able to locate a database. Another thing that we have created is specific pages for the most sought after records. So anything from background checks, criminal records, court records, and then if you hover over other records, anything from warrants to inmate searches. So I'm going to go ahead and select one of these more specialized pages and show you what it would look like. So for like a background check, what you'll notice is there you have your statewide resources. So there are multiple resources here that you could use at the state level to do a background check. And there are many types of background checks. I don't know what yours is about. This is very general. Maybe you're just trying to look up who your neighbors are or who your date is, or maybe just who you're hiring as a contractor. So there are many different ways to use this. I'm just going to go over general information available. So you have statewide resources. Then at the same time, you have county-wide resources. So anything from court records to jail information to property records. So you have quite a few, and we covered the most populous counties here. So you have quite a few things you can do with public records, whether it's looking up things at the county level, at the state level. You have multiple specific pages that you can use here, and then of course you also have the alphabetized list on the home page. Now you also have another option here, and this would be a public/private database, and this is an instantaneous name search. And what this does is it pulls records not only at the county level in Tennessee, not at the state level in Tennessee, but also in other states. So let's say why that could be useful. People move around nowadays. There's migrations all over the U.S. And so let's say somebody has a criminal record in the state of New York, New Jersey, maybe Florida, maybe Texas, whatever it may be. If you're just looking at the county or state resources, databases in Tennessee, you're not necessarily going to see that. So to help yourself cover more bases, to get a wider perspective regarding somebody's public records, you can also utilize the private database. So you have quite a few options here to do your public record search. With that said, come on down to tennesseepublicrecords.org and get started on your Tennessee public record search. Thank you.